how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're going to do first is to just simply open up your Google Chrome browser, and then once you're here, you'll be redirected here in this page right here. So I suggest that you should just open up new tabs right here, and then what you want to do in your new tab is to just simply search up a website that you want to add a shortcut to. So for me, for example, I'll just search up for YouTube. So for example, this is the website that I'm going to add as a shortcut. So once you're at your website, just copy the URL of that website. So mine is just YouTube, so I'll just go to the URL bar right here on the top, and then I'll just simply copy the link. Afterwards, I'll just go back to the home page of Chrome right here, and then as you can see right here in the bottom, there is an option right here that will allow us to add a shortcut. So I'll just click on that button, and then afterwards, it will now ask you for a name and the URL of your shortcut. So just add the name of your shortcut right here. So I'll just name mine YouTube, and then just simply paste in the URL that you've copied. And then there you go. So once you're done completing all of those steps, just simply click on done. And then there you go. The YouTube link is now here. So when I click on the shortcut, it will now open up YouTube for me. And then let's say that your YouTube shortcuts bar right here is full. So the way that you can add more shortcuts is to just simply remove some shortcuts that you don't need anymore. So for example, I'll just remove this YouTube shortcut right here. So what you want to do is to just go hover on the shortcut that you want to remove. So for me, I'll remove this YouTube shortcut right here. Just click on the three dots right here, and then just simply click on remove. And then there you go. The shortcut has now been removed, and then the add shortcut button is now back. So so if you want to add another shortcut, again, just go to a website that you want to add a shortcut to. So for example, I'll choose Facebook right here. So I'll just copy the link, go back to this tab, click on add shortcut, just add the name of your shortcut right here, and then just simply paste in the URL, and then just click on done. And then there you go, the Facebook shortcut is now here, and then after that, you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to add shortcut in Google Chrome.